If you're looking to make tailgate handling on your Dodge Ram smoother and safer, the Tailgate Assist Shock is the perfect solution. Designed to fit 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2019, 2022 Ram 1500 Classic, and 2010, 2022 Ram HD 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. This easy-to-install accessory ensures that your tailgate opens and closes effortlessly. Say goodbye to slamming and bouncing tailgates and free up your hands for easier loading and unloading. The Tailgate Assist Shock helps lower the tailgate slowly and smoothly, preventing it from dropping suddenly and potentially damaging your vehicle or causing injury. With the included hardware, including T20 and T45 Allen wrenches, ball mount plates, and a nutsert tool, installation is straightforward, and the product can be mounted on the driver's side without the need for punching or modifications. The shock system ensures a slow, controlled movement every time you open or close the tailgate. This product is not just a convenience, it's an essential upgrade for any truck owner. The Tailgate Assist Shock allows you to open and close the tailgate with one hand, making it ideal when you're carrying items or need quick access to the truck bed. Many customers have praised the shock for its reliability and ease of use, with one noting how it saves time and effort, especially when loading and unloading goods. In the unlikely event that you experience any issues with the product, it comes with a 12+ 1-month replacement service. If you're not completely satisfied, you can rely on a free replacement or refund. Don't miss out on this must-have accessory that makes tailgate handling smoother and safer. Click the link in the video description to purchase today, and subscribe for more truck accessories and automotive tips.